Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iCloud Photos is on and that both your iPhone and iCloud have enough space. This is why sync can stall. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and connect power so uploads won't pause. Next, force quit Photos and reopen it to prompt a fresh sync. If Photos still shows the exclamation mark, go to Settings your name iCloud to view recent activity. That reveals upload errors or paused transfers you'll address next. Now you perform the core repair. Toggle iCloud Photos off, wait about 30 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a metadata and upload refresh. If that doesn't kick uploads, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to reset the authentication token. Once reconnected, choose Settings Photos Download and keep originals so full files requeue for upload. This rebuilds the Photos library and often clears the exclamation mark by replacing corrupted metadata with fresh copies. Finish by restarting your iPhone to clear lingering caches and then open Photos to confirm the exclamation marks are gone. If any images still show the icon, export, or error, drop those specific files to a Mac or PC, repair them there, and re-import. Damaged files often need manual reupload. If multiple errors persist, back up, erase the iPhone, and restore from an iCloud backup to rebuild the library cleanly. Tip: if uploads fail repeatedly, check for a network proxy or VPN interfering with iCloud traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.